Hi, welcome to episode 27, and today we'll talk about working with other businesses that are really complementary to you. So, what does that mean? Think of peanut butter and jelly, right? If you're making peanut butter, wouldn't it make sense to work with someone that makes jelly, right? So that's kind of like some of the things that you want to think about. It has really helped me in my business in expanding and growing because sometimes it's like you don't have to do it alone, right? We have these other businesses that have the same audience that offer services that work really well or products that work really well with yours. So first, how do you do it, right? Here's how I would get started. First, list out all the services and products that you offer, and think about. Then, second step is list complementary services or products that work well with those. And then, third of all, think about the value proposition, right? What would you offer the other businesses? Why they're complementary? Maybe like, hey, we both have the similar audiences. Let's work together. I'm making this happen. Then, and the next step finally is really to connect with them through either different social media outlets, even something as just reaching out because I found you online, and then offering that value and really going from there. Again, just like my previous episodes, it's all about the relationship, working with these businesses and understanding what their needs are and putting that first. And then over time, you'll be able to kind of build your businesses together. Hope that helps. Have a good day.